After graduating from Lenape, I plan to go to college to study biomedical sciences, and then after that, go to med school and eventually become a radiation oncologist.
So academically, Lenape has always been rigorous. I've always taken a strong course load here, and the teachers here they give you the best of what they can. And I've always felt that they prepare me for later on the road, especially in the AP classes. They treat it like college classes here, which is one awesome thing.
Taking rigorous courses at Lenape, especially AP Biology and AP Chemistry, have played a crucial role in helping me determine my college major. These classes challenge me to think critically and apply scientific concepts through labs and projects, which deepen my interest in science and its real-world applications.
Originally, my plans after graduating Lenape were to go to some four-year college for biomedical engineering, but halfway through senior year, I was offered the opportunity to join Palantir's Meritocracy Fellowship, and I'd get the opportunity to be like a software engineering, business development type of intern at one of the highest regarded software engineering firms in the country.
Even though I want to go into a STEM field, I want to do research, and using the skills from English classes such as presenting or writing will help me write papers to publish research or talk about my findings at conferences and other things.
The teachers here are very accessible. I think that's the aim of the game, is no matter when you need help, the teachers are always there after school or during lunch. You can always go and ask for help and they'll offer it to you. And they know what they're talking about too, which is awesome.
The staff at Lenape are extremely welcoming and approachable, creating an environment where I feel comfortable asking questions and seeking guidance. They always make themselves available for extra help, whether it be during lunch, after school, or through one-on-one support.
Extremely supportive in what I'm doing, and they've been really helpful in helping me understand where I'm at and trying to help me look into myself and understand my own perspectives rather than kind of just telling me what to do.
From my guidance counselor to my many other teachers that I've been able to build a strong rapport with, they've definitely helped encourage me and also teach me skills I can use for college and beyond.
It's really about building a family and a culture. So I learned about how to communicate and how to be a leader.
These habits help me succeed not only in just AP Chemistry, but also develop the confidence I need that I can handle the demands of college-level coursework while pursuing a career in science.
Even in non-academic disciplines, where if I'm asking them for advice on whether I should take this job or if I should do this class or if I should go and pursue this extracurricular opportunity, they help a lot.
My AP classes and also my extracurriculars and other things helping me balance all my workload, but also the other activities.
I feel very confident leading Lenape. I know that what they've taught me here is going to be the framework for what I use down the line.
Balancing challenging coursework with extracurricular clubs and activities taught me time management and organizational skills. I feel very confident in my ability to be successful after high school, especially with all the invaluable skills and experiences Lenape has provided me with in the past 4 years.
Lenape prepared me in a way that I can be successful wherever I go. And that doesn't just have to be at like a college, doesn't just have to be at a job, but in any situation and any place, I think I can use at least one of the qualities that I learned at Lenape.